Book summary: Just Me in the Tub by Mercer and Gina. Introduction: Just Me in the Tub is the delightful picture book written by Mercer and Gina is part of the beloved Little Critters series. This book captures the everyday experiences of young children with warmth, humor, and gentle life lessons. The story follows Little Critter as he learns the importance of bath time, personal hygiene, and responsibility with charming illustrations. Engaging narrative: Just Me in the Tub provides a relatable and entertaining experience for early readers while subtly reinforcing good hygiene habits. Plot overview: The story begins with Little Critter being told it is bath time. Like many young children, he is not particularly eager to stop playing and take a bath. However, as he starts the process, he decides to make the best of it, turning what could be a mundane routine into an exciting adventure. As Little Critter runs the bathwater and gathers his bath toys, he imagines himself embarking on grand aquatic adventures. The tub becomes an ocean, his duck turns into a mighty ship, and he imagines himself as a captain sailing across vast seas. These playful moments are beautifully illustrated, capturing the boundless imagination of childhood. Despite his initial reluctance, Little Critter enjoys splashing around, making bubbles, and having fun in the water. However, his enthusiasm sometimes leads to a bit of chaos. Water splashes onto the floor, soap gets everywhere, and his toys nearly take over the tub. As his fun reaches its peak, he realizes that he still has important tasks to complete, such as washing his hair and scrubbing behind his ears. With little guidance, Little Critter learns properly clean himself while still having fun. He eventually finishes his bath, dries off, and puts on his pajamas, feeling refreshed and ready for bed. By the end of the book, he understands that bath time is not just necessary but can also be enjoyable. He proudly declares that he is clean and ready for bedtime, feeling sense of accomplishment and independence. Themes and lessons: The importance of personal hygiene. Just Me in the Tub teaches young readers that taking bath is an essential part of self-care. Through Little Critter's experiences, children learn that washing their body and hair helps keep them clean and healthy, making everyday tasks fun. The story highlights how routine activities like taking bath can be transformed into fun experiences with little imagination. This encourages children to approach responsibilities with positive attitude, responsibility, and independence. Little Critter takes charge of his own bath time, demonstrating the importance of learning and practicing self-care routines. The book subtly encourages young readers to develop independence in their daily tasks, managing mess and cleanup. While Little Critter enjoys bath time, he also learns that making mess means taking responsibility for cleaning up. This introduces young readers the idea of being mindful of their surroundings and taking care of their space. Illustrations and writing style: Mercer's signature illustrations bring Just Me in the Tub to life. The detailed and expressive artwork captures Little Critter's emotions, from initial reluctance to joyful playfulness, making it easy for children to relate to the character. The vibrant colors and whimsical drawings add to the book's charm, keeping young readers engaged. The text is simple yet effective, using conversational tone that mirrors how young children speak. The repetition of key phrases reinforces learning, and the playful language makes the book enjoyable for both children and parents to read aloud together. The combination of engaging storytelling and visual humor ensures that Just Me in the Tub remains favored among young readers. Audience and impact: As a picture book aimed at preschool and early elementary age children, Just Me in the Tub is perfect for readers who are beginning to develop their own self-care routines. Parents and caregivers often use this book as a tool to encourage children to embrace bath time without resistance. By presenting the experience as a fun adventure rather than a chore, the book helps children associate positive feelings with personal hygiene. Teachers, educators also find this book useful in early childhood education settings as it reinforces good habits in an entertaining way. It serves as a gentle and humorous reminder that even daily routines can be enjoyable when approached with the right mindset. Conclusion: Just Me in the Tub is a delightful addition to Mercer's Little Critter series, offering heartwarming and relatable story about the joys and occasional mishaps of bath time. With its charming illustrations, playful storytelling, and valuable life lessons, the book remains a beloved classic for young readers. Through Little Critter's experiences, children learn that taking care of themselves is not only important but can also be an adventure in its right. Whether read as bedtime story or as part of daily routine, Just Me in the Tub continues to bring smiles to children and parents alike.